Microsoft has systematically institutionalized the rapidly growing AI revolution, positioning itself as the central landlord of the entire sector. The company reported $90 billion in quarterly revenue, an 18% increase year-over-year. Satya Nadella is driving this growth by supplying the essential computing power required by Fortune 500 companies. Microsoft has engineered a B2B toll booth for the entire AI economy, collecting rent every time a corporation scales its digital infrastructure. Azure revenues surged 43% this quarter, supported by Microsoft 365 Copilot reaching 30 million paid seats. The internal data reveals a sophisticated financial hedge. A $480 million drag from OpenAI was neutralized by a $3.2 billion gain from the company's investment in Anthropic. By funding competing frontier models while monetizing their deployment on Azure, Microsoft extracts profit regardless of which AI startup leads the market. This strategy pushed GAAP net income to $36.8 billion for the quarter, a 31% increase. Even with heavy capital expenditures on data centers, Microsoft reduced its long-term debt from over $40 billion to $31 billion. They finished the quarter with a $76 billion war chest in cash and short-term investments. This combination of debt reduction and high cash reserves provides a buffer for their multi-trillion-dollar valuation against broader market volatility. While the enterprise sector thrives at record highs, Microsoft's legacy consumer hardware divisions continue to experience a steady decline. Azure's 43% growth stands in contrast to a 10% drop in Xbox services and a 7% decrease in Windows OEM revenue. High B2B cloud margins buffer the company's performance, mitigating the impact of consumer spending fluctuations that affect rivals like Apple or Sony. Because the enterprise and cloud segments now account for nearly 86% of total revenue, these legacy consumer hardware losses are ultimately treated as statistically secondary. As long as the enterprise AI arms race continues, Microsoft owns the casino, and the house always wins.